Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable text-to-speech on Xiaomi A2 TV. To do it, click on the Set button on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, then go to Accessibility, and now you can go to Text-to-Speech. Then you can choose the engine. If you have multiple installed, you can go to Engine Configuration to set the language and install voice data and more. You can set the speech rate to very slow, slow, normal, fast, faster, very fast, rapid, very rapid, or fastest. And you can listen to an example.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
When you change the speech rate, then you can also check it.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can change default language. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.